So we are going to get back on this LT2000 Craftsman. Last we left off, we power washed it, got it cleaned, checked spark. It ran well. Now we are going to address the deck and see if the battery held a charge overnight and so on. Okay, let's get to it. First things first, let's see if this battery held up. Now, it does say, let's see what year this battery is. It does not say, does it? Huh. It looks fairly new. Okay, let's see here. All right, yeah, it held up. Okay, good. Fantastic. I'm very pleased the way that the engine turned out. Nice and clean. You're gonna go ahead and get that shroud put back on there. Looking great. Let's move on to that deck. Get you in here. Just take a peek a little bit. All right. What do you say we start it up, engage the blade. Let's look at the blade also here. Yeah, they're gonna need sharpened. Let's take those off real quick. Everything look good to you, Chuckles? Yes, I agree with Chuckles. We're going to have to replace those. I think this little mower is going to turn around. I think that we caught it just in time. I really, really like these LT2000s and the 1000s, of course. But these ones are my favorite. The 2003s, 2005s, and that. The Kohler 19, sometimes it gives you a little bit of problems with overheating, but that's where we go back to the maintenance of blowing things out and getting things clear. So yeah, let's move on. You always seem to find things if you're looking. That looks better. Here is the blades that we're going to be installing. There is the Stens number. Yeah. Well, that's going to do it for this little Craftsman. I appreciate everybody following along today and getting this thing back up and running again. Didn't take too much. It was fairly easy. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.